Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you my Fatshark faceplate that I bought. According to the listing, it's supposed to be for the Attitude V3. I bought this for my Dominator V1, so I just want to do an unboxing video first of the faceplate. So it comes in this cardboard box, so nothing fancy about that. So when you open up, you see these standard phone pieces. This one is to put over the faceplate, where you stick this on the faceplate. This is a sticky tape, and then you have this rough side of the Velcro on the part where you put over your face. So this is very rough. So then once you have this over the faceplate, then you choose between two sizes phone. One is the thick one, one is the thinner one. So some people will prefer the thinner one so that their eyes will be closer to the goggles, and then they can see much clearer. So it depends on your preference and also your face structure. This is the thicker one. So you have this rougher surface and a smoother sponge at the front. Same with the thinner one. No, the thinner one doesn't have that difference, but the thicker one does. So it's basically a different type of foam. One is the thick, more rigid form, and the other one is the softer one stuck together. So inside the box you have this faceplate. Before I go to talk about the faceplate, there's one more thing inside the box. That's the pouch. So this looks like a well-made, I think it's a velvet pouch with Fatshark logo at the front. That's all you get in the box, and this is a faceplate. So this is supposed to be for Attitude V3. Just take you and let you see the faceplate closer. I know some of you would like to buy this for your goggles, your old generation goggles. So I just want to let you see closer so you can make your own decision. So you have these wires running through here to the fan. Then you plug your battery balance port here. It's the same as the standard faceplate on all the Fatshark goggles. This is a button that you press. Then the fan will turn on for 8 minutes and it will stop automatically. So this is the part where you put this side in here like that, and this is the rough surface, and then after that you put the foam over it. So it is well made from very good plastic that I can see. You have the Fatshark logo here, the fan. If you look at this faceplate, you can see that this is not open, and the fan is basically here, and then when you turn it on, you just keep on spinning. So in another video, I'm going to discuss about the compatibility of this faceplate with Dominator V1 and how this fan works, which is very surprising for me. So anyway, let me just quickly show you again the goggles, and that will be the end of this video. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, cheers.